Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial setting up the TypeORM connections with the ormconfig.json file. Those who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let's create the entity first. Okay, so go to the first we are using the ormconfig. Okay, so we have to create the folder for that. Just delete it, trash, create a folder, entity, and here we have to create user.ts file because we have to create the users table. Okay, so let's create a new file with this user.ts entity, and then data source we require later on but we don't require right now, so let's create it. Okay, so in the source we have to go with this, but we haven't created the source directory, right? So I have to create that source one. Okay, so let's create the folder source. Let's move the entity over there. Move. Then we have to move the source entity. In the source we have to create a new file which is data source and index. Data source which will be later on used, and then index.ts file. Okay, in the source we have to create the index.ts file which is important. .env file which will required in the later one. Okay, when we are configuring the app data source, right? So let's create it, but it should not in the, it should be in the root. Okay, so let's create that here. .env. Okay, the structure is ready. Now we have to install the respective packages, that is reflect meta pg and .env. Okay, I think in the Node 20 we don't require it. Let's see, is it working or what? Okay, so these dependencies you have to install, right? This we have already set up, ormconfig.json file, right? So this is the ormconfig which you have already added, ormconfig.json. These are the credentials which you have already added, right? Next, then we have to create the entity user, so let's create that one, and here we go with our source entity user, paste it. Okay, so there is an issue. What the issue is, property id has no initializer, so definitely assigned to this. Quick fix. No, I think this is not the fix. I think this fix gonna be happen in the tsconfig. I think interlop is there, then I can add there is one field I suppose. No, omit. I need to cross verify what exactly, because this is not how the things gonna be like work. Interlop, there is an issue because let's see, save it. Okay, and after this we have to make this code into our main file, that is index.ts file. Okay, and then run. So here we have the index.ts. Let's update this, save this, and we have to run the command. This script we have to add it. Okay, so these are the scripts in the packet.json file. Okay, so this is the scripts that I'm going to use it. So what is the issue in that? Comma. Okay, so we have to go with the dev server. So npm run dev. So npm run, I think it will give me the issue. Yeah, because this is very important. Okay, let's fix this first. id has no initializer and this ts configuration able to compile the script. I need to cross verify, just give me a minute because there is only a ts config setting. I know that, just hold on. I need to just up. Hello friends, welcome back. and I get the property. Let me add this in the where this is in the main file, that is this config. So here we go with this one, just add it. Okay, strict property initialization to be false, then it's to be sorted. Okay, let's add this. Okay, npm run dev, and there is an issue. What? Let's see. Error database connected. That means we have successfully database connection. But error during the database connection, that user is already there. Oh, I need to just delete that one. Just open it because the already I think there pg admin. So I'm going to just delete it. Then we are going to run it. Let's have a look. So here we go with our test server where we have a REST API. Let's clean these tables. Delete, delete, delete everything. Delete and then delete this also. Let's run it. Okay, so let's run it. Again there is error. User, I think error during the database connection slashing query failed. Relation user is does not exist. I think there is issue in the tables format. Okay, insert into user first name last name. This use this the turning ID. Relation user does not exist. Just give me a 1 minute. I think there is again a issue in that. Just hold on. Hello friends. Here you can see that I think we should add one thing, synchronize, because if I'm not adding the synchronize, so the tables automatically not created. So entity, whatever we have added in the entity, let's control set this. Okay, control set, save, let's run it. Okay, hope so it will work. Yeah, here you can see database connected successfully, new user has been saved. Okay, so what I did, so basically there is an issue in the database synchronization. So in the ts config, not orm, in the orm make sure to synchronize to be true, right? So that it will automatically work. Okay, so this is how you can fix it. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. And you can see in the pg admin also, no tables, refresh, table is there, and the data is columns. You can see the column, every column is theirs, right? So all the columns are coming over here, right? And you can just view the data like this, and here you can see that this is record is added. So this is with the help of the ormconfig.json file, right? Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.